Honey, honey, honey. First of all, let me just say this. I thought I was going to be one of them girls that was not going to get the tote bag. I thought I was not going to be a part of the tote bag family. Don't get me wrong. I love the collection. I loved it since the first day I saw them. But I was like, I ain't going to get one. But baby, when they put this one out, I was like, game changer. I gotta get it. I can see myself throwing this tote bag on with like a cute, simple outfit and just getting up and going. Like, y'all, it's so cute. I ordered the mini one. I didn't get the small size. I got the mini size because this is not something that I would use every single day. Of course, because of the cloth and the material that it is, I don't want to mess it up. But honey, this is the most adorable bag I think I have ever bought. So I got the red insert from Amazon. I will link everything in my bio. And it fit perfect. Like, y'all, for under $300, this purse is definitely the cutest. Like, I love pink. I love owning pink things. And this was a must. And I must say, go get you one. Period. Point blank. Marc Jacobs, y'all did y'all shit with this one. I love it.